guys, it's Candace. Welcome back. Okay, so we're going to do the Choo Choo Winners. I have 4 stamps that we're going to do, so let me put the link to that video, which was the kit review from Your Creative Studio. So let's put that in there. And then let me see, select a filter. I know I should do anything goes, but we're going to do keyword. And we're going to do choo choo. And we'll put that on there. Let's see if it makes a difference. I know someone had commented chew, like chewing your food. So let's see if it makes a difference in there. Oh, nope, didn't work. So let's go back. We got to take that out. Okay, let me see if I can get back in there now. Oops. Well, doggone. I guess you can't do it again. Okay, so let's go back. Oh. Well, dog meats. Okay, so we're going to try this again, and we can't put the other in there. We have to do choo choo. I thought there was more than 4 comments. Well, anyway. Well, let's see. Since there's only 4 comments, let's see what we get. We got Rose Blitz. I know Rose. Girl, you on a roll. So we have Rose Blitz. Okay. Penny Kitzmiller. Woohoo! I know she likes to sing along too. Jamie Parks at Love You More Journals. And I know our last one, Cynthia Holder. Okay, ladies, send me an email just so we can do this above board to my journalmecrazy@yahoo.com or the Etsy, and just make sure that I have your name, address, city, state, and zip, especially if there's anybody who's out of state. I'm not quite sure about Penny Kitzmiller because I've not seen her name before. And then I have a few other little envelopes that I'm going to send out. They don't have stamps, but they have some of the Choo Choo ephemera and stuff in there to a few other people that commented Choo Choo, whether it be different ways that they said. All right, well, congratulations, ladies. Woohoo! Y'all got a Choo Choo stamp and some ephemera coming your way. And I will get this posted. And then, like I said, if you could give me a shout out in the email, just so I can make this legit above board, and I will get your stuff mailed out to you. I mean, it's already in the envelope, so I mean, I know when I was cleaning all my stuff up, I made my envelopes and put my stuff in there, so it's all ready to go. All right, guys, well, I will talk to you. See you later. Congrats, guys. Bye, y'all.